To effectively reduce dust in your home and improve hygiene, invest in high-quality dusting tools like microfiber cloths and wands, as they effectively capture dust rather than just relocating it. Ensure you dust hard-to-reach areas, such as behind appliances and in cabinet crevices, using a damp cloth and proper techniques like gliding in one direction. Remember to protect yourself from dust irritations, especially if you have allergies, by wearing a mask. Regular cleaning, including vacuuming electronics and refreshing plush toys with baking soda for a gentle clean, is essential. Don't forget areas like vents and ceiling fans, which can harbor dust. Use soft brushes or damp cloths for these surfaces. Keep your workspace and car dust-free through regular maintenance, which includes vacuuming and wiping surfaces. By following these tips, you can create a cleaner and healthier living environment.